Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You'll begin by enabling Google's text-to-speech engine so the system can speak your typed text. First, open Chrome or Android settings and go straight to text-to-speech or accessibility. Select Google Text-to-Speech Engine. Once done, install or update the engine from the Play Store if prompted. Make sure you choose the correct language and a voice that suits your needs, then set speech rate. Try 0. 9 to 1. 1 for natural pacing, and press the demo to confirm audio plays. Now connect where your typed text comes from to the TTS engine. Use a Chrome extension like Read Aloud or an Android app that accepts shared text or clipboard input. Once installed, grant clipboard and tab permissions. This lets the tool capture what you type or paste. Then map your workflow. Either paste into the extension, select text in a page and trigger the extension, or use the Android Share-to-Speak intent from any app. This routes typed text directly to Google TT. To finish, fine-tune voice, speed, and pitch so spoken output sounds natural. Small changes matter. Make sure your media volume and output device are correct. Switch from Bluetooth to the phone speaker if you hear nothing. If audio fails, restart the app or device. That resolves most permission or audio focus conflicts. If problems persist, reinstall or update the Google TTS engine. One key troubleshooting tip: verify app permissions for microphone or clipboard access. Lack of permissions often blocks typed text from reaching the TTS engine.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.